Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this video today we will be discussing around the course reuse in Moodle. Okay, so let's begin with that. So here I am already logged in with administrator account. Let me come to this list of course. So here is the list of courses and I have created a course named Introduction to Moodle. Let me come inside and you see I have added general content, then I have scom package, then the queues and the certificate. So I will be using this course itself while creating a new one, and I will try this course to reuse inside that newly created course. Okay, so let me create here a new course. New course, let me name it new course 2023. Okay, so giving the same short name as course name, and we'll just click save and display. And now you see you have four topics, sorry, 1 2 3 4. Now I am going to not import that feature named course reuse. So I am here under the course reuse and I will be searching for that course I want to reuse here, introduction to Moodle. Okay, so let me select this one and continue. And this will ask you, these are the options: include permission override, include activity and resources, blocks, include files, filters, calendar events, question bank, whatever the option here you see, you can either you can select or uncheck whether you want this inside this course or not. Okay, so let it be default in my case for now and click on next. And here you also see you have general content, then announcement. You can uncheck if you don't want to be included in this newly created course, but I want this all these. Click on next. Now perform import, click on continue, and now you see under this newly created course, new course 2023, you see you have general, you have scom courses, you have queues, and you have certificate. And now you see there is one more topic. If you want to remove this one, you can remove that. Why then there is one more topic? Because by default while creating a course it will be added four topics, and as you see inside introduction to Moodle, you see here 1 2 3 topic only. Generally just beyond the topic. So you have 1 2 3, so it added 1 2 3, and the fourth you can say it was replaced with your default 1 2 3 with scom course queues then certificate, and topic 4 remains the same as it is. So if you want to remove this one, you can remove this from here. Okay, and exit the edit mode, and now you see whatever here in this introduction to Moodle, everything has been imported inside this newly created course, that is new course 2023 scom package. Then you have queues, then you have certificate. You can also click here scom under scom, click here, and you see the different scom id here. Here is 56 in newly one, a new one, and an older one 86. That means create a new resources, just import and create a new resources for everything, resources scom, whatever you say. So hopefully you guys will be using this feature whenever you need clone any course. That means duplicate any course, you can reuse this feature. So thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.